Oh, she has it on video.
Oh.
Oh, Crystal!
Oh, that's horrible.
That's funny. Are you horrible, Crystal?
Yeah.
Look horrible. No, you don't.
What are you doing?
I'm recording you. Oh, look at you.
Hi.
The pretty girl.
You're so weird.
I know. That's one to know one.
You're weird.
Look at Crystal laying on the counter. That's against the law.
What? How is that against the law?
Oh, do you hear Cassie in the background?
I said I love you guys.
We love you too, Cassie. Hi, Crystal. Let's look at your nose. Move your hand.
What are you doing?
Let's look at take a picture of your mouth. Woo! Oh, you're evil.
What the hell? Are you high or something?
Wouldn't you like to know? Woo! Chaco! Hey, Chuck! Hi! This is Chaco. This is Katie. This is the one that's Cassie's twin.
That's not funny.
I cracked myself up.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, look at Crystal. Look at her socks.
Why?
Cassie.
I'm never getting on that counter again.
Why?
Cause I'm afraid you're gonna do like the video again.
Ooh. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Chiku. Hey, Chuck. Okay. What do you know?
Yeah.
I don't know how. That's why I was trying to take a picture. So that's why I was trying to make the recording. Where's Cassie?
No, what?
Do
When
what-
did you start taking videos?
Do
Mom?
what
I
she
have no
normally
clue.
does.
When did
Rocking on the rocking chair.
Mom start
There's
taking?
Cassie's MySpace. That's something she loves.
Well, of course. What teenage girl does not like MySpace? At least like a little bit.
I don't know.
I'm cold and the fan's not even on. I don't know
Ooh, Cassie.
why. A Mailer Man was on.
Ooh. Really?
Nobody
Oh, is it over?
Is it? I don't get over that.
No. How do you know that?
When should I shut this off? Anyone want to say anything?
It doesn't really change anything.
Ew.
I think it just gets on for like a split second and gets